Are you ready to level up your cooking game? Let's explore the world of stainless steel cookware, the gold standard for performance and safety in kitchens everywhere. Stainless steel remains unmatched for versatility. This nearly indestructible material is non-reactive, ensuring your flavors stay pure. It handles high heat effortlessly and is compatible with all types of cooktops. Plus, cleanup is a breeze. In our guide, we reviewed top-performing stainless steel pots available on Amazon. We looked at durable construction, real-world performance, and user-friendly features to help you make an informed choice. Here are our top picks for 2026. First, the Cuisinart MCP12N Multiclad Pro Set. Priced around $200, it features triple-ply construction for excellent heat distribution. This set is perfect for every cooking need, from sauces to stews. Next, the Tefal Stainless Steel 11-piece set is great for beginners at about $150. Its thermospot feature ensures you know when your pans are preheated. Another excellent choice is the All-Clad D3 10-piece set priced around $600. Known for its exceptional build quality, this set is for serious cooks. For a budget-friendly yet quality option, check out the Cook's Standard Multi-Ply Clad Set at $250. It balances quality and price effectively. Lastly, meet the Duxtop Whole Clad Tri-Ply Set which offers durability and ease of use at around $200. When shopping, remember these 5 pillars of quality: core construction, heft, configuration, induction compatibility, and ergonomics. These factors ensure you get the best performance. To keep your stainless steel pots in top shape, clean with warm soapy water using a non-abrasive sponge. For burnt residue, a simmering soapy water soak works wonders. Choosing high-quality stainless steel cookware is a long-term investment in your culinary success. Whichever set you pick, you'll enjoy reliable performance for years to come. So, are you ready to transform your kitchen experience? Explore your options and start cooking like a pro today.